I'm Kirsty Archbold-Laming, Director of Southern Hoist. Welcome to our world. At Southern Hoist Services, we keep construction moving safely and efficiently. It's as simple as that. We've been operating all things hoists across the UK for 32 years, and the great thing about our engineers is they care about it as much as I do. Southern Hoist will always go above and beyond for our clients. There's nothing we can't offer. We deliver on time to the highest standards with quality and precision.
I've been using Southern Hoist now for approximately 25 years through various companies. Always found them really easy to deal with. Normally we get Southern Hoist to come down, visit site, and they're always very good at really giving us the best advice for the best hoists that we can use for our projects. Always found them very professional, very easy to deal with, and you always go back to people you can trust and who you know.
So here we are. This is what we do best at Southern Hoist. This is a 2-ton passenger goods hoist. We do general construction. We do sporting events like the Ryder Cup. We also do historical projects such as this. We can even offer you pink hoists like Penny and Pamela, who have been made for breast cancer awareness. We know how to deliver, and we can supply a wide range of products across the whole of the UK. Just give us a call for all your hoisting needs.